It's a heartache, nothing but a heartache. In the closet, that's my stuff. Yes, if I bought it, please don't touch.
Oh, do you mind if I steal a kiss? A little strange in the neighborhood.